So I just wanted to come on here and say a quick hello. Hey loves. I'm still in my sleeping outfit, my sleeping clothes, oversized t-shirt and comfy pants. I have no makeup on. I don't have earrings on. Like, I am just really comfy, loungy around the house, but I wanted to come on here and start this video. And today is my first day of spring break. Today is Monday, so I am going to be doing a week in my life, my spring break week, and I will just show you guys what I do this week. And I'm only try to put the stuff that I'm actually doing. Like, if I'm just sitting around watching TV, doing something like that, like, I'm not gonna show you guys. But right now I think I'm gonna do laundry and vacuum my room, which I feel like I do that in every video. But before I keep rambling on, let's get started. Shirt and my sister's stuff, and look at this color, and the fabric is really soft. I don't know if you guys can tell. And then it has little unicorns, you guys. Like, that is so cute. Like, this is me in a shirt. And since I can't put it on, I thought that I could make a mask out of it, like face masks. But yeah, plus my little sister does not like pink. She does not like girly colors, so she authorized me to use it. I'm not just taking it without her knowledge. But yeah, just look at it. Look at this print and the colors. So change of plans. I wasn't able to get my ID, which sucks. They made my appointment up until July 21st. July. We are in March. But anyways, I just changed. As you guys can see, I'm wearing a long sleeve workout top. So cute. I like the little thumb holes. But yeah, and we're gonna go to the park and we're gonna ride the bikes. So I'm really excited because I haven't done that in a really long time. I might record, I might not, we'll see. But yeah.
There we go. Well, that is crazy. It hasn't been long in.
Okay, let's try this again. It is 4:05 in the morning. It's even earlier than yesterday. But I couldn't get my ID yesterday, so we're gonna try it again today. But now I have to wake up even earlier because we're leaving at 6 in the morning. My face is extra puffy and extra like gross. I'm so sorry you guys have to see me like this, but again, I'm just showing you guys the aftermath. And yeah, so just the before. So it got approved this time. I'm not saying it didn't get approved before, but just it was a really long process and I wasn't even able to go into it. Like I wasn't able to actually like be in my appointment. So I went super early. You guys saw that. And I went in again. So my appointment was actually today at 11:10 a.m. So I went at 6 in the morning and then they told me that I had to make an appointment and I made an appointment for 11:10 a.m. So I went and I got it now. I have a paper copy. So that's what I have right now. But I will be getting my actual ID card 2 to 3 weeks from now. So, but yeah, and my picture did not come out that bad actually. So I'm really happy that I got it. Hopefully in a couple years I will get my driver's license. So today is Friday. Yesterday I didn't do much at all. In the morning I did a little bit of like homework, so I read a little bit of the rest of my chapter that I needed to read and answered some guided questions, but that was about it. And then my computer started running low on battery, so I charged it, and after that I just watched movies with my brother the rest of the day up until night, and then I went to sleep. So I didn't do very much productivity yesterday at all. But today I went to Home Depot and I got paint for my room because yes, I'm painting my room. I'm so excited. I like this color. It's really pretty because all the light comes in. Like it's so bright whenever the light comes in and it just looks really pretty. But I've wanted to make my room a dusty rose aesthetic. So make my walls dusty rose, my bedding dusty rose, and just basically anything in the room like that. So it can be white and dusty rose. That is the aesthetic that I want to go for. So I got some paint today and we're gonna paint. So right now I'm going to change into some clothes that I don't care about getting paint on, and then we're gonna get to work to move everything in my room out so we can paint. So I'm really excited. Hopefully this color looks good. But yeah. It looks so dark. So I'm in my new room now. Yeah, this color is super dark. You guys already saw the clips before, but I just made my bed, so now it's made and it's very big. It takes up a lot of space the way that I positioned it. But behind me is my jewelry organizer slash mirror. My closet, no, my closet is that one, and that one behind me is the door to go out. But yeah, but my desk is now right in front of the window, so I have really good lighting. Yeah. You guys, now that when I do makeup tutorials or anything for school, on this desk the lighting is going to be so good, so I'm so excited for you guys to see those new videos. And yeah, you guys can see the quality right now. The lighting is so nice, and it's actually already in the afternoon. It's like 5 already or something around there, so really good lighting. I'm so happy. This color is super dark, but I absolutely love it. It's such a beautiful rosy, dusty rose color. That was the color that I wanted originally, dusty rose. That's what I have, except it's a lot darker. But I love it.